Welcome to another Simple Dad WhatsApp tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new update on WhatsApp called Channel and how to use it. So the WhatsApp Channel feature lets you follow your favorite celebrities, interests, and brands from around the globe, and you can get updates from them directly. So let me show you how to use this on your WhatsApp. So to get this, you're going to go into your Play Store or your App Store, search for WhatsApp, and make sure it has been updated to the latest version. So as you can see, it has been updated for myself. So I'll go ahead and tap on Open. Once you're in WhatsApp, you'll see this new feature here called Updates. This will be just next to your chat window. So go ahead and tap on that. Now, if you scroll down, just after Status, you'll see the new feature called Channels. As it reads, you can stay updated on topics that matter to you. Find channel to follow below. So here down below, you can see the famous channels, which are most active at the moment or trending. You can go ahead and follow any of these. Or if you want to find a specific interest of yourself, go ahead and tap on Find Channels. Now you can go ahead and tap on Search and search for your channel. Now once you find the channel, go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Follow at the top right. Just below the search, you can see the most active, most popular, new, and you can also change the country and select different channels from different countries. So to join the channel, go ahead and tap on the plus sign. If you go back, you'll have the selected channel appear under Channels. And tapping on it will give you an update on the selected topic that you have joined. So there you go. That is how to use the new WhatsApp feature called Channels. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.